Hi, physics.
Hi, seniors. Thanks for leaving us.
You left us alone. But we researched for you guys. So these are the 5 different types of bridges. There's the beam bridge, which is the first one here. It's the most simple bridge type. It's supported from underneath by these nice little columns, as you can see in the picture on the left. It's the easiest design, but it can only span short distances. And it's made up of these type of beams called girders, which you can see on the picture on the left are underneath. There's a couple types. There's the I-frame ones, which are the type you see there, and then there's box ones, which if you've ever been on the zoo interchange, it's the type that's underneath the highways, those really thick ones that are hollow on the inside. So it's a overall good bridge. The next bridge is the arch bridge. So these are pretty similar to beam bridges, but as you can see, the underneath is a little bit different. It's got that nice little arch, like the Hone Bridge in Milwaukee. So the reason that they are successful as bridges is they shift the weight and loads that are on the bridge towards either end, which takes the pressure off the bridge part in the middle and keeps it up.
All right, so the next type is truss bridges. And so these use either trusses, like as you can see in this picture down here, where they have triangle-shaped beams or trusses that pretty much dissipate the force load throughout the work instead of just having it just on the bridge. And so the trusses could either be above, as they're shown in this picture, or underneath the actual road. And like I said, they're usually in triangle shapes. The next type is a suspension bridge, like the Golden Gate Bridge. And like shown in this picture, so there are a bunch of different parts to the suspension bridge. So there are usually 2 towers and then cables running in between the towers. And the cables pretty much share the tension that runs between the bridges, in between the anchors. So the anchors are the concrete blocks that hold the bridge in place. And then, like I said, you have the cables, and the towers support most of the compression, and then take it and dissipate it straight into the earth. And then there's usually also a deck truss that is underneath the bridge deck, like the normal road, just to keep it from swaying from side to side. And then the last type is a cable-stayed bridge, which is kind of like a suspension bridge, but instead of 2 towers, here's the picture right there. There's only 1 tower, and then the tower takes care of the compression, and the cables are either like this in a radiant formation, or like parallel, which I didn't have a picture of that, but I think they'd just be like straight up and down, and they take care of the tension. So yeah, those are the 5 types of bridges.
5 bridge types. Pick which one you want to make.
Yeah.
What else? Do you have any other notes?
Pause for me.
Pause.
Say hey.
Okay, so when we test these, the gap between the stools we're going to measure, is going to be 25 centimeters. So if you make your bridge 25 centimeters long, it's going to fall through. It's going to hit the floor. Okay. See how this person, she made it too short. So then she had to add like a piece on the end. So don't let that be you.
Don't do it.
Okay, then you have to leave some space for the Velcro straps to go through, because they need to be 10 centimeters apart. So this is fine, because we just slip them through the trusses, because the car we'll want to roll the car through. Obviously, you can't drive itself. We're just going to make sure it rolls through on the road. Then we're going to set this here. Then we're going to hang these hooks. This is already broken, so I can't hang it there and leave it there, but we'll put the hooks on the Velcro straps and then set it on there. Oh, maybe.
She still works.
Okay, so then that's 1 kilogram. Cool. Then we'll add a disc on each side. That'll be 2 kilograms, and then that's all it has to hold to meet the 10 points. 2 kilograms? 2 kilograms. Then we'll just start adding more and more until we break it. Okay, thanks.
Wait, I'm gonna get it.
Okay, should I press? Wait. Pause. The pause one?